Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back. But this time, I'm going to show y'all how I make my homemade smoothies. I already started with the strawberries. There's times when I do start off cutting them in half, or cutting them into little pieces, or just putting like the whole strawberries in the blender. This time I decided to just cut them up in half, just to show y'all in the demonstration. Alrighty. Now these are going to go in the blender. Now the second thing I'm going to do is cut out this banana. I don't know about y'all, but I love bananas in my smoothie. See, bananas are known for having their potassium. And, as a woman, having a certain level of potassium in the body is so important. Like, yeah, it's just super important for women's health. Especially for women who want to get pregnant. At the rate I'm going, getting pregnant is definitely a possibility. Possibility for like next year. We'll talk more about that later. I mean, after all, I am 31 years old. And, as women, we got a biological clock. And I don't want to wait until I'm 35 to then have kids. Because by then, my biological clock will start ticking. And on top of that, I also don't want to be an old mom. Nothing against old moms. It's just not my thing. But I'm also glad that when the kids do come in the future, I'm not going to be one of those super young moms who lack the knowledge and wisdom to pass on to them. Because, by then I would have lived life long enough to kill that problem. Oh, shit, my mom, she was 25 when she had me. Yes, she was. Shit, I remember when I was 25. Oh, here I am jumping a gun. Having to remind myself I'm actually recording a video. Oh, this is a part of the avocado I had to scrape off the shell. You see? If the shell don't look like this, there's some more and scrape off to make it look like this. Yeah, because like I said in that aloe vera video, I don't like to waste nothing. And another thing, like, if you like your smoothies to be really thick and creamy, avocados are your go-to fruits for that. Because it'll help make the smoothie extra creamy without adding extra sugar to your drink, unlike yogurt. Now, if you insist on using yogurt, I would suggest using like the plain Greek yogurt. Like chome, whatever you call it. Alrighty. Now, I like to put the waste inside of the little container. The strawberries come in after getting them from the store. Now, I'm going to add some watermelon. So now you got to be careful with watermelon if you like your smoothies thick, because, watermelon has a high water intake, and just like regular water, it can thin out the smoothie. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of watermelon. Like, this amount is okay, because I don't like my smoothies real thin. Alrighty. Now I'm going to cut up this mango. Mango is so good. It's real high in vitamin C, which is real good for the immune system, especially during this pandemic. Because see, one thing I learned about COVID-19 is that it attacks people with weak immune systems for the most part. So this here is a COVID-19 repellent. Then again, all the fruits that I showed y'all in this video so far are COVID-19 repellents. See, the COVID-19 pandemic has been taking place now for about 1 or 2 years, and I never once caught it. That's because of these fruits I've been eating. And another trick that I like to use to keep the COVID-19 from attacking my body is to drink extra water when I'm on the go, like working, whatever. And eat like an extra apple, an extra orange, and some extra pineapples. You can even eat an extra veggie like celery, carrots. And that's why when I first heard about them coming out with a vaccine, I wasn't surprised, but at the same time, it kind of made me feel some way, because I know deep down, after doing all the research I've done on COVID-19, that it has a very high survival rate, well, a high natural survival rate. So I'm thinking like, okay, and they're making a vaccine for this because, yeah, they definitely have other things in mind. Now, I'm not going to get all into that in this video because I'm not trying to make this video political. That's a different topic for a different video. Yes, I like to touch on politics. I'm just not trying to touch on that in this video. Now see, I'm trying to get like as much of the mango fruit as possible. Woo! Okay. This is enough. I don't want to go overboard and drag this video out. Oh. Oh, go on in there, bad boy. Now, one thing about the mangoes is this, and I don't like to peel off the skin, because after doing my research, I'm going to find out that the health benefits are found to a higher degree in the actual skin. It'll really help lower your chances of catching the itis, the coronavirus, the coronavirus. Oh, this video has been requested so many times by so many people. They're like, oh, Jasmin, I want to see a video of you actually making a smoothie from home. I'm like, okay, I got y'all. Yeah, because I'll go on Facebook after making a smoothie, sending off a smoothie pic, just showing them, like, look, this is my breakfast, y'all, homemade smoothie. And then I'll write down a list of the ingredients I put in there. And people are like, that look good. Girl, send us a video showing us how you make it step by step. I'm like, okay. And people are real curious. See, I don't like to make all the pieces real small, because all it does is just take up unnecessary time. And mangoes are really good for women's health as well, because of all the vitamins and minerals it has in it. And what it does is it makes a woman more fertile. But then again, everything healthy helps increase a woman's fertility, which is really, really good for me, considering the fact that next year, the year after, I do want to be a mama. But before I even switch to the mama stage, I might have to reach the marrying stage first, because I do not want to have kids out of wedlock. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want to be a single mom for raising a child. Especially considering that I grew up with a single mom. And, you know, I was able to see for myself, like behind the scenes, how much of a struggle single motherhood can really be. Alrighty. Now that I got all the mangoes cut up, it's time to put them in the blender. Ooh. I didn't have to be so clumsy. Ooh. And lastly, we're putting in cantaloupes and pineapples. Y'all can see I already cut them up about a couple days ago, so I don't have to do all that today. Oh, the convenience. Now I'm only going to put a couple handfuls of the cantaloupe and pineapple in the smoothie. Okay, that's about enough. Now look how full this blender is. There's going to be enough smoothie for like 4 people. Now, I'm going to put clean water in this little cup to add onto the smoothie and get to blending. Hold on. Now that I got the water in the blender, along with all the fruits, let's cap it, plug it in, and get to blending. Okay, Okay, I'm about to give the blender a break just so that it won't break on me. That's what y'all gotta do. See, I like to have my smoothies extra blended because I don't want nothing choppy in there. I don't want a chopped up batch. I want a smooth batch. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's blend it again. Alrighty. Now I'm going to check it for its smoothness. It's pretty smooth. But I want to blend it again. I like to triple blend my smoothies to make sure they're as smooth as possible. I don't play about that. Let's do another smoothness check. Oh, yes. Now, this is how smooth I like my smoothies. Alrighty. Let's take it off the blender. Breakfast is served. Woo! Now, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Yes, yes, yes. Enjoy your day, y'all, and be blessed.